today's video we will fix a ASUS DisplayWidget Center not detecting monitor or USB driver fix and reinstall it. So the fix one, you can check monitor connection. Make sure your ASUS monitor is properly connected to your PC. Then use the original HDMI display port or USB cable if possible, and if available connect the USB upstream cable. This is important for DisplayWidget to detect the monitor. Then restart your computer and check again. In the fix 2, you can make sure your monitor support DisplayWidget. So check your monitor model on the ASUS official website. Then confirm that it supports a ASUS DisplayWidget Center. If not supported, the app would not detect the monitor. In the fix 3, you can simply update a ASUS DisplayWidget Center. So uninstall our current DisplayWidget Center from settings and application. Then go to the ASUS support website. Then download the latest version of your monitor model and then install it and restart your PC again. In the fix 4, you can update monitor and graphics driver. So press Windows X key and click the device manager. Then expand the monitor and display adapter. Then right click your monitor and graphics driver. Then and select the driver update. And then restart your computer after the upgradation. In the final fix, you can enable the DDC/CI on monitor. So press the menu button on your ASUS monitor, then go to system setup or system settings, then find DDC and CI and make sure it turns on. Then close the menu and reopen the DisplayWidget Center. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.